It's slowly dripping now.
Smells like coffee.
Wow, that coffee smells so good. Hello guys, so we have a new item here from Lazada. This is the American Home coffee maker. So we're going to unbox this now and let's see what's inside. So this is a 5-cup coffee maker. This is the specification. It's 0.8 liter capacity. So hopefully this is not damaged because we have some dents over here on the box. Maybe due to the shipping, but hopefully it's not damaged. So let's try to open this one. Inside the box they have the warranty card, the owner's manual, and the item itself. Oh, so at least it's protected inside. It's protected by a cardboard. Anyway, yeah, it's a bit small, but I think this will do. It's glass. Yep. So this is the product. We have here the lid. This is the lid. This is the lid, and this one is the shower head. This one is the removable filter, and this one is the removable filter basket. This is the housing, the glass jar cover, this one, the glass jar handle, and the power switch. So here in the basket, you cannot go wrong with this one because there's a space over here. We can put this it's like notch, yeah, so you cannot go that way or this way, and this one as well can go anywhere. Okay, so we'll try this now and hopefully this will work. So we can have some freshly brewed coffee from Quirino, which I got with my recent travel. So let's see. We'll fill this up to at least 3 cups. There's an indicator here on the for the water. 5 cups maximum. Based on the instructions, before we use the coffee maker for the first time, it has to be washed by brewing coffee without the coffee powder. So what we're doing right now is it's currently on with water in it up to 3 cups at least, and we didn't put any coffee powder. As you can see, it's dripping now. The water is, let's see, it's warm, so I think it's already cleaning. But I guess we need to add more water to have all of this clean up to the top. Let's add some more water. Now we're done with the cleaning process. So I'll be using this ground coffee blend from Quirino province. This is medium roast. So I'll be putting 2 tablespoons per cup, so that's 6 tablespoons because I have filled with 3 cups of water here. I'll be trying this out now and let's see. 6 tablespoons in total because we have 3 cups of water. 2 tablespoons per cup. So this is where you put the coffee. Yeah. 1. Let's see. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. So we'll close the lid. And turn this on. Let's wait for some time. It's slowly dripping now.
Smells like coffee.
Wow, that coffee smells so good. And there you have it, your freshly brewed coffee with the American Home 5-cup coffee maker. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video.
Sa pagkara, sarak, whatever.